Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. My name is Amrin Munaflurania. I am a student of SAS Institute of Management Studies MMS first year. Today presentation topic is accounting standard. Professor Deepak sir. Introduction. Accounting is a language that communicates the performance and financial position of any organization. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India ICAI issues the accounting standards in India. The accounting standards suggest the role of recognition, measurement, treatment, presentations, and disclose of accounting transactions in financial statement of an organization. Now we discuss the definition. Accounting standards are the rules and guidelines set up by the government bodies like FASB and IASB to keep accounting practices consistent and understandable across all companies and industries. Now we discuss the accounting standards. Accounting standard 1, disclosure of accounting policy. Accounting policy refers to specific accounting principles and the method of applying those principles adopted by the enterprise in preparation and presentation of the financial statement. Accounting standard 2, valuation of inventories. The objective of these standards is to formulation the method of computation of cost inventories and stock to determine the value of closing stock and inventories at which the inventory is to be shown in balance sheet still it is not sold and recognized as revenue. Accounting standard 3, cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is additional information to use of financial statement. This statement exhibits the flow of incoming and outgoing cash. This statement assists the ability of the enterprise to generate cash and utilize the cash. This statement is one of the tools for assessing the liquidity and solvency of the enterprise. Accounting standard 6, depreciation accounting. It is a measure of wearing out and consumption or the other loss of value for a depreciation asset arising from use and passages of time. Depreciation is nothing but the distribution of total cost of assets over its useful life. Accounting standard 8, accounting for research and development. Accounting for the research and development is withdrawn for the date of accounting standard 26, intangible assets becoming mandatory for the respective enterprises. Accounting standard 13, accounting for investment. Accounting standard 13 provides the accounting principle for investment in the financial statement and related disclosure requirement. As per the accounting standard 13, the investment means the asset held for earning income by the way of dividend, interest and rentals for capital appreciation or for other benefits. Accounting standard 25, interim financial report. IFR, interim financial report, is the reporting for period of less than a year, generally for a period of 3 months. Now we discuss the advantages. Attains uniformity in accounting, improves reliability of financial statement, prevent frauds and accounting manipulation, assists auditor comparability and restricted scope. Limitations: they can be inflexible, compliances can be costly and rigid, situation specific, difficult choice, differ from law and time consuming. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.